Philips One by Sonicare, 2 brush heads, Snow, BH1022, 07. Micro vibrations and tapered bristles made of soft nylon gently polish teeth for a brighter smile. Brush heads match colorful handle for super sleek look. Easily snaps on for convenient replacement. Compatible only with Philips One by Sonicare Handles. Dentists recommend replacing brush heads every 3 months. 2 Philips One by Sonicare Brush Heads. Philips One by Sonicare Brush Head are designed for the Philips One battery or rechargeable toothbrush, an ultra-portable electric toothbrush that keeps your smile bright. Always be ready to touch up your smile, no matter where the day takes you. Top reviews from the United States. Good as new replacements. I was given the Sonicare for Christmas and instantly loved it. The price for the replacement heads is pretty steep, but I'd still rather pay the extra money because I greatly prefer it over regular toothbrushes. These are near identical to what was on there when I got it, with the only difference being that I got them in a different color.